In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Google Chrome without closing the tabs. That's if you want to close Google Chrome and have it reopen on whatever pages you had opened last time before closing it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, let's go ahead and click on the three dots icon that's in the top. And now just scroll down, just go to Settings. And then at the left side, you will find on Startup. Now just go ahead and choose Continue where you're left off. And that's how you easily do it. Now just open the tabs you want. Just type in anything you want. As you can see, for example, the first tab I have Google opened, and the second tab I will have something similar open. And then at this point, you should be good to go. Just go ahead and choose the tabs you want. And then just go ahead, close Google Chrome, and the tabs will still be there. As you can see now, I will go close the browser. And then I will try to reopen Google Chrome to see if the tabs are still visible. And now as you can see, the tabs where I left off are still there. And that's it. This was an easy, straightforward process video. As always, thank you for watching.